Welcome back to Foundations Physical Therapy's YouTube channel. Today I am barefoot because we were going to go over some activities to help improve the mobility in the ankle. One chronic problem that we see with runners in general, or even, not even runners, people that are just active and moving, is poor mobility of the ankle. And when you have poor mobility of the ankle, the knee usually suffers, or the hip can suffer, as well as the foot. But poor mobility of the ankle usually leads to what's called a valgus collapse, where the knee falls to the inside, and that throws off the mechanics of the body all the way up. So this is an easy activity that you can do. We use a small loop of Theraband, and what you're going to do is put this Theraband around both feet. In this example, the right foot is going to be the anchor, and the left foot is going to go up on a step. Okay. In this position, what I want to really make sure that I do is that I put the band here below these two bones, and I step forward. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to almost lunge forward. I want to be really aware of keeping the heel down here and keeping this knee tracking over my second and third toe as I look down at it. And then what I do is I come forward until I feel a little stretch in the ankle, and then I come back up. Ideally, as a quick test to see if you have enough mobility in this ankle to avoid problems, is your knee should be able to migrate 4 inches in front of your toes. So you can stand up, you can kneel up against the wall and see if that knee will go that far. And if not, this is a good, easy way to kind of work on the dorsiflexion, going forward, then you come back, you go forward, then you come back. You can set a timer and do this for 3 to 4 minutes. One of the key points that I can't stress enough is that this band here, which just has some elasticity to it, needs to go below these two bones. Otherwise, it's not going to help you stretch very well. And then you don't want to let the foot collapse or the knee, you don't want to let the foot pronate or the knee collapse to the inside as you move forward.